Hey, Rocky here, and today, electricity, the invisible force that powers almost everything around you. Let's find out how it really works. Ready? Go. And hey, if you love science, smash that like button right now. So what is electricity? Let's find out together. Everything in the universe is made of tiny particles called atoms. And inside every atom, there are even tinier particles called electrons. Electricity is simply electrons moving from one place to another. Billions and billions of electrons flowing together. But electrons do not move on their own. They need a strong push. That push is called voltage. It is the pressure. Think of voltage like the pressure in a water pipe. The higher the voltage, the harder the electrons are pushed. And the flow of those electrons is called current. Now here is the key. Electrons can only flow in a complete loop. We call this loop a circuit. If the loop is closed, electricity flows. And your device turns on and comes to life right now. If the loop is broken, everything stops immediately. That is exactly what happens when you flip a light switch. You are opening up the electric circuit path for everyone to see, or closing the entire circuit loop. But here is something that will surprise you. Electricity travels almost at the speed of light. When you flip a switch, the light turns on instantly. The electrons themselves move slowly, but the energy passes between them almost instantly, like a wave. Now, where does electricity come from? Let's go see. Most of it is made in power plants. Giant magnets spin inside huge coils of wire, and this movement pushes electrons through the wires. This is called electromagnetic induction, a science secret, discovered by a scientist named Michael Faraday long ago. This was almost 200 long years ago. Before we go, one mind-blowing fact. Wow, your own body runs on electricity too. Your brain sends tiny electrical signals to control everything you do. Every thought, every heartbeat, every movement. Yes, you are absolutely electric and full of energy. From invisible electrons in the tiny atoms to the power of your own brain. Electricity is one of the most incredible forces in the universe. Science is truly incredible and absolutely amazing to see. If you loved this episode as much as we did, smash that subscribe button so you never miss an adventure with Rocky and Spank. And tell us in the comments, what would you do without electricity for a full entire day? See you in the next one. Bye-bye.